You are an international student with a foreign degree and you applied for a one-year Specialising master program? If your application has been assessed positively by the Master Committee, the confirmation of your admission will be notified by email. Upon acceptance, please see how to proceed. In order to reserve your right to participate to the program, you will have to make the payment of your first installment by following the instructions given in the admission portal http://master.unicat.it/application. Get in contact with the Italian Embassy of your country in order to request a visa for study purposes. You will have to submit the letter of invitation that our office will send you. Before leaving, remember to get information in your home country on how to activate a health insurance for Italy. Otherwise, you can also buy the national health insurance on site called Servizio Sanitario Nazionale, National Policy, or buy a private policy online, for example WAI, Welcome Association Italy. Then, check that you have the compulsory documentation to enroll. In case of a European degree, original bachelor or master degree, original diploma supplement issued by your previous university. In case of a non-European degree, original bachelor or master degree with a certified legalized translation in Italian. Original declaration of value issued by the Italian consulate of the country where the degree was awarded. If you still don't have the declaration of value DV, start down an application at the Italian consulate of the country where the degree was awarded. It is important that you apply for the DV before coming in Italy. If you still have not received the declaration of value yet, at the time of your apply, please upload the copy of your diploma in original or translated and the transcript in original or translated on the admission portal http://master.unicat.it/application. At the time you are admitted, please download from the admission portal http://master.unicat.it/application. Read and sign the file called DV Substitute and send it along with the rest of the documentation for the pre-enrollment. Indeed, if you still do not have the declaration of value upon your arrival, it won't be possible to enroll you immediately. For this reason, you will be pre-enrolled. With a pre-enrolled status, you will be entitled to attend courses but not to register your exams, neither to activate an internship nor to attain any certification from University of enrollment or achievement. Now we are only waiting to meet you in Italy. Keep an eye and check your email box, including the spam folder. You are looking for an accommodation in Milan? We suggest you to visit the following webpage, on which you can find a useful housing network with announcements https://educat.unicat.it/educat-soluzioni-abitative-housing-network. You have been granted a scholarship. We remind you that scholarships are considered as an income and therefore they are subject to taxation. In order to prevent you from application of a double taxation as a non-resident Italian income recipient, you must provide your university with an original hard copy of an official document, tax residency certificate, stamped by the relevant body, tax office from your country of residence. Inquire with the Ministry of Finance tax office.